Sally Field recently teamed up with celebrity fitness trainer and author Kathy Kaler to develop a customized fitness plan. It's called the Bone Healthy Workout. It's for postmenopausal women and also those interested in maintaining healthy bones. We brought Deborah back so she can learn the exercises and keep her bones healthy.
Absolutely.
Let's bring some music up and get started exercising. All right.
Okay, we're ready. We are going to do the first exercise is seated in a chair. Okay. So, Dr. Lisa, can I call you Dr. Lisa?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
absolutely.
All right, so this is a leg extension. So we're working the front thigh muscle.
Okay.
And we've got a towel, and I just want you to place it under the leg we're going to work. So put it on there, and it'll elevate the leg. And essentially, we're taking our leg out and in. Now, a lot of people who have been diagnosed with osteoporosis might not be in an exercise program. So you want to make sure you check with your doctor, but then do something that is very easy to begin with, and then you can progress. Maybe putting on a leg ankle weight to add some more resistance. But right now, you should be feeling the muscle in your thigh here, and you tighten. Do a set and then switch to the other leg.
Kathy?
It can depend. If you want to start with 5 reps, move up to 8 to 12. It's so only a few minutes.
This is you can do this while you're watching TV.
And you can do this right at home. Or exactly.
Absolutely.
Or if you're in between at the office, this is an easy exercise to do.
Yeah, you don't need equipment or anything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what we're doing,
you've got the stand heel toe. Is that
yes,
is that
the
another
next one,
exercise?
as we talk about, and go ahead, you can just leave the towel here because we'll use it again. But a lot of times we think that we can balance, but when you try this exercise, which basically we're going to move forward and take yourselves toe to heel and try and look forward, arms out, you'll see that there's some challenge with that.
Yes, there is.
And in our lifestyle, we don't balance anymore. As kids, we did.
Right.
So this is a great exercise just to start there, but you can also add some challenge by adding a knee lift. So up and balance.
No, that's advanced.
And down and lift. Because what we're adding is core strength. So as you are balancing, you've got to pull in the abs, and that again is weight bearing. We're using our body to strengthen our muscles and our bones.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest confusion, that you have to have weights on you.
Exactly.
It's just gravity.
And weight bearing really isn't just these particular exercises. Getting out and walking, even jumping up and down a couple of times stimulates that bone mineral and growth. This is a great exercise for the back. And again, must look into your doctor to make sure you know that it's okay to start. And also know what exercises you're asking your doctor you want to do, because it's not a great idea to just fly into an aerobics class or Pilates or yoga. Some of those moves are contraindicated, and as we know, we saw how that bone can snap. You gotta know.
So one last exercise.
Let's show this one.
And while we're doing
this is actually fun. We're down here, forehead is on the towel.
I don't know whose definition of fun.
And maybe I'll stay up so you can hear me. But essentially, bring your arms down by your side, put your forehead on the towel, and I want you to just lift your forehead off the towel. And hold, and go right back down. So essentially, when you're lifting up, Deborah, you're tightening here, and go ahead and go down and relax. Totally relax. Good, and then come up. And you feel your back muscles, feet stay down.
Oh, they stay down.
Head here, bring this towel a little bit further forward.
And while Kathy continues to teach Lisa and Deborah, I want everyone at home to know that you can go for information on these exercises to thedoctorstv.com so you can perform them on your own at home.